Hi, I'm super excited to show you a new tool in Textura, a surface tool. So for this new tool, what you will be able to do is when you're working on a fabric, any fabric, and I think I do recommend starting with the surface tool once your fabric tile is ready. So you can definitely start with any fabric, tile it, work with all the tiling tool, and once you're ready, once you have the perfect tiling, then you can click here, and that's a new surface tool. This one will let you import your graphic design. Let's say I'm going to import from here, and I'll choose my floral print, for example. And now here you have a few options. I can upload my graphic in the same original size that I've made it. I can have it fit. Fit means it will match the boundaries on one side, either height or width, but it will not distort the size of your print. If you're gonna hit fill, then it will stretch to fill. Or squeeze to fill, depend on the size of the pattern that you're uploading. You can also choose here if you want to do multiply or overlay, and you can also choose blend intensity with adjusting this slider right here. So with both options, you can adjust the slider. And now once I'm happy with my new surface design, my printed fabric in that case, then I can click apply, hit apply here, and it create material. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that quick tip, and I can't wait to see what you're gonna create with the new surface tool in Textura. See you soon. Bye.